everybody. Hey, Pastor sent an email out to the Fishers families and asked them all to make palms for Palm Sunday so you could have a palm to wave during the online service. So then he's decided that maybe some of you don't know how to make a palm. So we're going to make a really easy palm branch today for you to use on Palm Sunday. Take any piece of paper. I have green, but if it's not green, you can color it. You can make it any color you want. Just find any piece of paper and fold it in half. And this is my folded side. And I'm going to draw half a leaf shape. It looks like that. Next, I'm going to cut that out. And remember, everybody do it yourselves. Kids, you know how to cut. Don't say, I can't do this. It's one line and it's so easy to do. Maybe everybody can make one of their own for Palm Sunday. All right, so it looks like this. It's a leaf shape, but still it doesn't quite look like a palm leaf. So fold it back and fold it in half again. And now on this open side, you have 4 layers of paper. And you're just going to cut out little triangles all the way along the cut side. They don't have to be the same size. They can be thin, they can be wide. You do whatever you think looks best to you. Next, I open it up and it looks like this. So now, I could wave my palm like this, but it's kind of floppy. So you could use a wooden spoon and tape it on your palm. You could use a straw, but it's not very strong. I think the best thing would be go in your backyard and find a stick and put your stick on the palm and get some good masking tape and just tape that stick down on your palm leaf, and you are ready to shout Hosanna to the King of Kings on Palm Sunday. Have fun.